Chicken wings. This is an energizing, upregulatory exercise. Stand facing a partner or in a circle facing a partner with eye contact. Start to breathe deep using your bent arms to accentuate the breath. Once you establish a rhythm, speed it up together. Keep it up for 20 to 60 seconds. Take a slow, deep breath. Shift to more relaxed breathing and lean into your partner, palm to palm, for 3 or 4 breaths. Then stand apart and thank your partner. You can use body-up co-regulation to get connected, to calm down, or to get going. For print instructions and more videos, visit wecoregulate.com.